So guys, let's start. So our background is acceleration of technological innovation in blockchains. Blockchain applicants are widely used, and blockchain financing grows rapidly.
Yes. This is about background. Let's do the next step. ibank what? ibank is a professional platform focusing on the decentralized blockchain financial system. It is a wallet application that opens up the digital currency and the whole world. It aims to solve the problems of inconvenience of users in managing multiple digital currencies, complex exchange and transaction processes, also poor value transmission and low level of blockchain. Also, it's about transactions that are made in this application. Integrating digital asset trading system, blockchain-related products, mobile app-related products, and blockchain investment application into one to form a perfect solution that ibank is. And ibank will establish and continuously improve the new ecological circle of digital assets.
Now let's look at our ibank wallet, which is basically intelligent wallet, button system, and ecology.
Here we have 9 items, and next we are going to discuss in details about that. So I will start with the first one. First one is about token, blockchain token asset storage system.
And the second one is blockchain token asset transfer system.
Number 3, OTC, over-the-counter order matching system.
Number 4, global exchange API interface trading system.
Number 5, DAPP, Decentralized Application Center.
And number 6 is cross-border settlement system.
Number 7, high-frequency trading system rate moving system.
Number 8, digital asset and product exchange system.
And number 9, the last but not the least, payment and receiving settlement system. Let's talk in details about each one here. It's about AI, ibank blockchain token and storage system. When you have this ibank APP, you are able to use virtual currencies to store assets. So it's possible to store such currencies as BTC, USDT, ETH, US, and it will be used as a storage. Next, equity token storage. At present, it supports the storage of asset-based and equity-based prices based on the bottom technology of blockchain.
Now let's talk about currency exchange. And currency exchange refers to the real-time ratio between different agreed digital currencies. Thanks to currency exchange, user can trade digital assets or get digital assets faster and easier.
Thank you, Stephen. OTC, over-the-counter, is also known as OTC. It refers to transactions conducted by market participants through independent bilateral inquiries and bilateral liquidation on the basis of bilateral credit granting. Instead of trading on the trading platform, the transaction is conducted privately at a price higher or lower than the trading platform price, or just using other conditions. So it's about ibank global exchange API interface trading system. I can say about this. So the first one, transaction between currencies. Using ibank application, it's possible to convert into one cryptocurrency to another one. It's so convenient and it's easy. Next, it's about mini futures. This function allows you to buy the time. You are able to buy 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 1 minute, or even 5 minutes. And it doesn't matter about fluctuation. No matter about fluctuation. Totally. It's about the direction of the purchasing currency price. So this is the most important.
Now let's talk about ibank DAPP, which is a decentralized application. ibank intelligent decentralized application center. The application of the APP based on blockchain technology cannot be separated from the support of concrete currency wallet. Therefore, in the ibank intelligence APP application center, it works excellent. The APP is gathering for users who don't know what it is, and all the APPs are strategically cooperating with each other to support each other and build a huge APP application ecosystem of blockchain.
I think this is the most important because it's decentralized. And the main point of blockchain and ibank is about decentralization. No banks, no commissions. So this is decentralized APP. Cross-border payment. So we can talk about this. Cross-border payment and block trade. The first one, ibank intelligent cross-border payment business integrates the three-party resources of over-the-counter transactions of many mainstream exchanges in this world. Why ibank? Because it means intelligent bank, and decentralized, intelligent, decentralized ibank. And don't forget that intelligent, decentralized bank right in your pocket. And it's important, you can take and you can have everything here. So let's continue. It has the remarkable characteristics of global coverage of OTC sector resources, safe and convenient transaction payment, unified and standardized business processes, and small cross-border payment is very convenient and fast. Next, it's about block trade. It's about blockchain. ibank Intelligent Wallet is a large-scale virtual currency acceptor in all countries all over the world. That's why we're here. So, it relies on ibank Intelligent cross-border circulation and settlement system to carry out virtual currency bulk transaction and cross-border acceptance services.
And the next one is intelligent contract financing. ibank intelligent high-frequency trading, breaking the system contract, and capture data and market analysis of exchanges in real time. Carry out intelligence arbitrage trading in real time. Decides whether to carry out arbitrage tasks by self-judging the difference between trading platforms and trading borders for various currencies. And start trading at the right time, combined with a variety of arbitrage methods. It can be completely free from price fluctuation. All kinds of drawbacks and risks of artificial arbitrage are avoided.
The main point about intelligent contract financing or smart contracts that the rules are defined. The people, the users taking part in this are legal. So the gameplay is clear and everything is fine. So the people, when they want to do this transaction, they are able to be sure that it's safe and it's reliable because it's smart. And everything is based on blockchain, on that solution.
Also, it's possible to use our ibank application to buy different products and items from online shop. It's very convenient, it's very safe, it's very trustful. You can buy pretty much everything using our tokens in our ibank digital application.
Exactly.
Or you can also rent, for example, hotels, you can book different trips, you can rent all kinds of stuff on the internet using our ibank application.
So, if you go traveling, get the coins. If you want to buy something, just get the coins. If you go shopping, get the coins. That's easy. 3 values. Talking about ibank. Secure payment environment.
Convenient and fast asset management.
DAPP engine with huge potentiality. 2 key advantages. The first one, traceability. This is about blockchain because you can easily trace and understand what the operation is about because it's clear and it's transparent. Number 2.
And our second advantage is that the data cannot be tampered with. Even if you not tampering property, blockchain data The result of every transaction of digital assets cannot be tempered.
Next one. Wallet features. Here are some main wallet features. Let's talk about each one in detail. First one, support digital asset transfer function, flexible and convenient circulation of funds.
Alright, our second feature is private keys are securely safe to locally display of digital assets.
Number 3, support multiple wallet types, easy to input and output.
And the last one is one-click and digital access in real time, control balance, trading trades.
So the point of ibank, intelligent bank, is you've got everything in your pocket, just here, in your hands. No need to go to the bank, just open up and you have the whole world of all the blockchain solutions. All-around safety guarantee. The user has complete control of his private key. Only you know your private key. Next, safe and reliable operation based on blockchain solutions. Provide technical support and authorization verification for multiple signatures.
Also we have here the money backup strategy, anti-roots and anti-theft of multiple signatures, mobile phone verification code, which is very easy to implement, and fingerprint, biometrics, and other verification methods.
Multi-currency integrated storage, LTC, BTC, ETH. In the future, we will open up the mainstream currencies and support USDT, BTC, LTC, ETH, BTC, and BCH, and others mainstream tokens. All tokens support ETF ERC20 protocol format.
We are checking API interface. Provide standard API interface for other applications to use payment. Provide a full set of payment interface solution for iOS, Android, edge client.
Almost each week we are trying to introduce new update of our ibank APP because it's important. If you have the updates, you are able to use more functions. So your trading, your buying, your experience will be broader and it's important. Also, it's about languages. Yes. So here we can listen to the speakers, and then you can see the translation. You can hear that, and it's important. The same about ibank APP. If you have the language, you can get everything you want. So it's about Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, and other languages to be introduced in this APP. If we don't have any barriers, we are able to speak, to trade, and communicate easily without any problems. So, talking about our economy and our future, I would say that blockchain is the fifth wave of technology, and it's so important because it's about no borders at all. No need to go, no need to buy the ticket. You can be here, and you can talk right to the United States, to China, to any country, and you can exchange money, you can buy, you can travel, and you can get the coins, you can get the rewards. And the most important, it's safe and it's reliable. So thank you.
Yes, I want to add that the most important thing about this application is that it's totally safe. It's very easy, it's very convenient, and you can trust it 100%. So yeah, let's move to the
Thank you. Our goals for 2020.
So our main goal is to become the top 5 decentralized digital wallet in the world.
This is the most important point. And also we are able to provide new updates, new currencies, new storage, and let's go to the future.
So as you can see here on the left side of the screen, there is a scheme where it shows how money transfer from A to B. And there is a middle person, there is a middleman which always can get a commission, which can always kind of scam you. So it's not convenient in 21st century. So what we can offer is, you can see on the right side of the screen, it's a scheme which represents how transactions is possible from people to people without any middleman. So it's gonna be more easier, it's gonna be more safe, it's gonna be more convenient, and I think yes, it's future, it's future.
Yes. So, thank you. And let's make the transition now.